Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Enjoy this video.
Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started.
Last time someone got caught with dirty bills, they got arrested for a while, right?
Right.
So I've been handing out dirty bills to people. That way, if they get arrested, the cops will be more busy arresting them than us, right?
Well, if you just someone having a bill isn't gonna get them sent to jail. They have to do something to get them searched.
Well, what do you mean? now it sounds like I just gave away tons of money.
Okay, let me try and explain what you're doing. So I want you to imagine you've just handed me dirty money. Okay?
Yeah.
I have dirty money. Let's see how many cops show up.
Well, like they'll go away for longer, right? Like, what do you mean? I'm just giving away free money? What?
I'm looking for the police.
I did it on purpose. Well,
I don't
I mean,
see any.
you're starting to make me think I just gave away like $1,000 for no reason.
Yeah, you did give away $1,000.
Oh, jeez.
Because they have to do a crime that they would have gone to jail for.
Oh, man.
There's no way we lose.
And there was, in fact, no way we lose. Oh,
Well,
okay. Last game for me too, then, I guess.
Yeah, last game too.
Oh, okay, yeah. All right, last game.
Alright, last game for me too then.
All right. Well, I guess if Ludwig's going, then last game for me then.
I'm only going because Sykkuno's going, so yeah.
Well, I'm only going because Ludwig's going, so...
Okay, alright, that's enough out of you guys.
Well, technically, at first I said I'm gonna go and Leslie goes,
No,
and then
I get it.
she
You only want
didn't.
to play with Leslie, it's fine.
Well,
Okay,
no, I
thanks
just
for playing anyway.
remember saying that, and then you know,
Thanks for playing.
No, it's been fun. Listen, Miyoung, what are you worried about? You have another 20 hours left. I'll be back.
What the heck? Why are you increasing my time? I only have 15.
Oh.
15? No, you got like another 20 hours left. I'll be back.
15. No, don't increase my hours. It's only 15.
Oh, 16?
No.
All right.
Okay, one on site.
I'm so dead. What? Oh yeah, I was kind of freaked out by that. I didn't
Lud
expect that.
laughs
I wasn't,
Sounds
or not
like
freaked out, but like I was
a
not.
scammer.
I
Is that
didn't- you
weird
just
for
threw
me
it
to
out there.
say?
The
I did throw it
craziest
out
thing,
there.
Ludwig, is
Okay,
was
don't tell them I
watching you
said that.
At the same time,
Just the way he
you had
laughs.
like a straight face the whole time.
It's
You
like
didn't
so
even-
fake. It
even
feels
flinch.
it sounds
I was
fake.
stone cold about it. I was
like,
stone cold.
It sounded like you were serious.
I was dead ass.
Okay, I'm
It sounded
sorry.
like you were
I'm sorry.
serious.
No.
You didn't
Sykkuno,
tell
I would
anyone.
call you if you wanted to. Well, no,
I don't know.
just a
It's-
few.
He's
no,
a
no,
scammer.
no,
He's a
between us. Listen
scammer.
between us.
Oh yeah.
Anyways,
Maybe a few
just
people,
kidding.
but not that many.
Gathers round.
Hello.
Crispy, thank you so much.
Hello, guys.
You are here 1000%.
Wait.
He's like, you
I
guys
think
are
we can make it to
trashing
2,000.
my apartment.
Where am I?
Okay.
I'm so dizzy. I'm so dizzy. How am I this
Let's
dizzy?
do it.
Oh
You're
my
so
god.
easy. We can do
I
it. Oh my god,
thought it was Valorant.
We're all set.
I thought
Holy
it
cow, just
the
a
bank.
fan with that 20!
Let's go.
Oh, I'm so proud of you, just a fan.
It's
So
gonna be
proud of
1,000.
you. Oh my god, King.
Oh Jesus. Wait, I'll distract him with the spike. I think it worked.
It definitely did.
It worked. Alright, let's get the Phantom.
Oh, I'm stupid.
Wait, he's at ours side?
Yeah, there's.
Well, they don't know I'm here.
I don't see anyone. Oh my god, he's tiles.
I'm not moving from this spot.
Oh, there is one. There is one. Sykkuno.
My.
Where?
He's up here.
Top mid.
Well, they don't know I'm here, right? So,
What
what are they gonna do?
One mid. You get this kill mid. You get this kill mid.
There's no way he knows I'm here.
Nice.
He's right behind you. Behind you. He's there.
Oh my god.
Oh God. What if I did
Wow,
this?
wait. Crazy. He's going A.
He's not peeking anymore. He's not peeking.
He really isn't.
He's going A, right?
He thinks I'm down there.
Probably would be.
Yeah, he's probably going
Yeah.
A. Lily, just run A.
30 seconds left.
Yeah, he has to be.
Oh,
what?
better.
Oh my God! How did he know I was still there? We did it! We did it, guys! Oh Jesus! Oh, we barely won. We barely won again.
This is what it's like to be Sykkuno for a solid minute, huh? Girls aren't into me. Girls aren't into me like that. You know how it is. You know how it is. The water bill. It's a little rough. It's a little rough this month.
Ryan, are you making a new account?
Oh Jesus.
I have to do the tutorial.
Okay,
I
I'm
know,
sorry. I'm
you're
sorry.
going through
Okay,
the
I'm
tutorial.
sorry. Okay, I just wanted to know what it was like. I just wanted to know what it was like. You can't blame me. I just was just a little curious to what it'd be like to be him for a good minute.
Did you guys make
Okay? I'm just a little
No,
curious.
I've never needed to make a new one.
Oh my
Well,
God,
you should.
3,000
Why?
gifted subs at once. That's insane. Holy
Wow,
crap,
it's
that's a
unrated.
whole bunch of gifted
Well, like, why
subs.
would I need to make a new one?
3,000 from Ben Jam, and that's insane.
God,
Okay,
I'll
I'm
make
done.
one
I'm
too.
done. I'm
Dear
done.
God.
Okay, I'm done.
You know I have
I'm sorry.
7
I'm done.
Valorant accounts now.
I'm done. I'm done.
Soon to be
I'm
8.
done.
Cat and Edisa, thanks for the subs also. Let's see. Will you do a house tour? Probably not. Probably not. I'm always afraid of like randomly leaking something, so I feel like honestly guys, I'm pretty like not fancy, you know? I kind of just I have my desk with my computer and I have a mattress on the floor. So it's not very fancy. I'm pretty plain. I'm pretty plain, I'd say. Skylin and Molly, thanks for the subs. Let's see. Casino's open, I heard. We'll be there soon, I'm sure. Hope you had fun. Yep, I definitely had a lot of fun. Let's see. Why don't you have a bed? Well, I have a mattress. I just don't have like a fancy bed frame. PO box. So I do have a PO box open right now, actually, and I'm pretty sure it works. The only reason I haven't like released it yet is I don't actually own a car right now.
Yo, Sykunno,
Oh,
you know you
Jim.
hear this. Join in the call now.
Are you a gangster? What is that?
Yo, Sykunno,
Yo,
go.
Oh, my chat's
Sykunno,
frozen.
go.
Hey,
Oh
Sykkuno.
God, my
Sykkuno.
chat's
Get in
frozen.
here,
You
Sykkuno.
don't join your big trouble.
Oh God,
Get in
my
here,
chat.
Sykkuno.
Like,
Oh, hey,
my
Sykkuno.
God.
Oh,
Oh, hey.
Oh my God, he's actually here. Oh my God,
Yeah, I was gonna
that's-
go get
my
dinner.
chat's
Have
frozen.
fun on the rest of the 20 hours. Man.
Please, it's 10. It's 10.
30
Have fun
more
on the rest
hours.
of the 20 hours.
3 hours.
Oh my God.
Yeah, another 20 hours for Miyoung. Let's go.
52 hours. Let's go,
Oh my
Miyoung.
God.
oh.
All right, see you guys later.
Oh my
later.
God.
I'll probably be like on to play later. But,
Thank you, Sykkuno, for the raid.
Bye, babe.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh,
Bye.
But Leslie, huh?
bye-bye.
What the heck? Oh my God,
20
my
more
brain is mush. But thank you so much, Sykkuno. For the
we're like Smeagol now. Is it Smeagol or Golem? I don't know. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow we will try to rob a bank. We'll log on first thing we sign up for the bank. Hopefully we get it. If X really is on tomorrow, maybe we can go and like we'll get like 2 tries on the laptop. If we get a laptop, it's always up to chance. Unless the demon dudes can get us one, but it seems like it's hard to get. All right. Oh, that was an eventful day. The demon dudes were great. They were pleased with us. Well, they were pleased with us sort of some of the time, and then other times they were less pleased with us. But that's okay. We got everything ready. We got the outfit ready. We weren't able to clean money, which kind of sucks. But that's okay. There's always next time. I think Dundee's handling it. And then we'll apply for the burger shot. We'll try and get more dongles. Practice the hack. I will, but not right now. And then we'll try and rob a bank tomorrow. I'm going to practice the hack when I get the chance. But, guys, I know exactly who we're raiding today. All right. Usually I like raiding someone I played with, but Miyoung has a crazy 24-hour stream going on. So we're raiding Miyoung, guys. She's doing a 24-hour stream. It's crazy. She's super cool. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for coming to the stream. Really appreciate you all. And we will be trying to rob a bank tomorrow, maybe. Hopefully. Hopefully. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for coming to the stream. See you next time. Looks pretty safe. Hiko, thanks for the sub. Hiko. What's wrong?
There's a dip. There's a dip.
A what?
Dip. There's a
What?
dip.
What are you talking about? What's wrong? What do you mean dip?
Dude, there's
You
a
need some-
jump, a dip, I'm fucking in the
Wh-
road.
where?
It's a hill. It's a dip.
I think we
It's a
passed it
dip.
already.
There's another dip.
What's a dip? You need some chips?
No, I don't. You.
That
know.
these locals, man, they're crazy.
Oh shit! Stop the car for a second. I need to get out.
Oh,
Hold on. I've got a dark market transfer. If we get this, we can go make some more money.
oh, nice.
I just
For
can't be
Roxy?
in the car because if the car doesn't have enough trunk space, then we're fucked.
Okay.
Oh, we got it.
We
I'm gonna
got it,
steal this car.
nice.
Here, come here.
All right.
I gave your dad over there the stuff he needs.
Oh, thanks. Well,
Straighten up your act, and I'll start working with you also.
Oh, really? Listen, I'm gonna be the best hacker this city's ever seen. Trust me. Oh. You know the hacking? That's me.
Yes.
Yep.
Goodbye.
Well, here's some sandwiches and
better not
water
be a
if you're
sandwich.
hungry. Did you say it better be a sandwich or better not be a sandwich? I couldn't tell. Dundee, I
on,
gave him
my
some
son.
sandwiches.
Oh my fucking! Why do you
Listen,
give
he
everyone
picked it
a
up. He's
sandwich?
eating it right now. I can see him. I think he's eating it. I think he
They
liked it.
rejected your sandwich last time.
Really? Oh,
They actually eating your sandwich?
I can't tell. It's really far away, but I think I saw his hand moving. All right. Everyone says it's a long vacation. Maybe forever. Maybe forever. But if people, if people do what he always did, maybe it'll be like he never left. I'm just kidding. It's never going to be like that. But let's go back to the apartments. All right. Honestly, realistically, I actually have no clue what happened. So hopefully, I don't know. Not forever. I have no clue, guys. I don't really keep up with that stuff. So like, you guys know me. What I can say is, I mean, he's always been nice to me, and he's good at making people laugh. So I don't think he's all bad. I don't think he's all bad. That's what I think. I mean, does that make it okay? I have no clue, but that's not up to me. I just think, he's been a good guy before, and he's always been nice to me. So, I don't feel right if I, anyway. Let's go back to the apartments to save our outfit. Squidward voice? Yeah, we should practice that. He's coming back tomorrow. No way. Maybe we can... Nah, you guys are trolling. No way. Really? That would be cool if he did. You know what would be crazy? What if we rob a bank together, and then I tell everyone I'm X and I'm robbing a bank? But no one's going to believe it because I don't sound like him. And that would be ridiculous. That would be hilarious if we... if we robbed the bank together and I was, wearing this outfit and I was like, hey guys, I'm X robbing a bank right now. He's going to fire me again. And then 24 hours pass and I didn't work, of course. And then I got fired again. But then I said, give me one more chance. And he said 24 more hours, last chance. Otherwise, you're actually fired. And then I didn't show up again. And then he fired me again. But then I said, just one more chance. And he said, all right, 24 more hours. So it's been about 72 hours. And I'm going to get fired again. But anyway, great talking to you.
Nice. You should work tonight. So that you get
sent me
home.
here to tell you that you're fired. I'm sorry.
No, it can't be. I still have a few hours left.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Guys, come on in,
My
come on in, I'm
72
sorry.
hours.
My bad. I'm sorry.
I would have opened in time if I was in charge. I'm just kidding. No, I'm still on the board. I'm still there, guys. I can't be fired. I'm still on the
Just
board.
kidding. I don't even know who you are.
You. How could you? What's your? Oh my God! I didn't. That was an accident. I'm sorry.